Are you afraid your water bottle will leak? Problem solved! You have to try this tip to open the trash can. Ingenious! Here's a tip for making a natural insect repellent. The smell of spices and coffee will keep insects at bay. It helps keep insects away from food, and not only this, it is also useful against moths. Don't do this. This is the correct way to change the bag. Blocked drain? Try unblocking it with hair removal cream. It works! Blunt cutting blades? All you need is a bit of aluminum foil. Easy. With this tip, you will be able to get to even the most difficult-to-reach spots when washing the dishes. And you don't need to get your hands dirty either. Your doormat won't stay put? Now look! Here's an easy way to unblock your sink. Look at all that hair! Now that's much better. Dirty socks can be especially difficult to clean, but not if you pre-treat them like this before putting them in the washing machine. A perfect wash.